Nice view, isn't it? Can I have a water, please?
Okay.
How much is it? Yeah. Thank you. See you. Hi. Just passing small village. I want to buy some fruits, but I can't. Next time, whenever I see the street vendor of a fruit, I must buy. It's not like you can buy at every village. Blah. Blah blah. Blah. Blah blah. Blah. It's very quiet and peaceful road. No car, no noise. Blah. Hi. Blah. 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 Blah blah. 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 Tonight I'm going to ask local people again to pitch my tent. It's getting dark. This is good time to ask so that I can make excuse. Oh, it's getting dark. It's getting dark. I should find somewhere to pitch my tent. I should ask. That place. Blah. Can I ask there or no? Should I ask there or no? Should I go back? Yeah, let's go back and ask. Let's park here and let's ask. Blah. I'm cycling to Suva and I have a tent. Can I pitch a tent one night here and tomorrow morning I leave? Yeah? Yeah? Thank you, Minaka. So can I pitch a tent here? Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh, hang on. I'm Mini.
Jin.
Jin. Take a seat.
Oh yeah, thank you. Did you born here? This house? Ah.
You from China or
South Korea.
Korea?
Yeah. It's called
Cassava.
cassava.
From?
Ah, is it from your garden or?
Yeah.
Mini's garden.
backyard here.
Oh yeah.
It's
Good. Cassava, root crop.
Cassava.
It's a root crop. Not a fruit, a root crop. Yeah.
Nice. Do you boil with water?
Yeah, boiling water.
How long?
40 minutes.
Ah, so you have to boil a long time. If you don't boil, it's hard.
hard, very,
Very hard.
Oh, really? You can't eat?
You can break it with.
Really?
You want chili?
No, thanks. Do you like chili?
Pigeons like chili.
Oh, yeah. What is this?
Veggies.
How do you eat?
The inside part we eat it.
Ah, what's the name?
Duka.
Dukkha. Oh yeah, with so many different. How does it work?
You pull this thing up on the match, put it inside.
Okay. You don't need to turn off.
Turn off, put it down again, blow.
So you're using kerosene? What's the name?
Kerosene.
Kerosene. Ah.
There.
Oh wow. Oh, I never seen this.
Beep, beep.
Wow. Is it safe?
Yeah, safe.
Wow. Thank you. It was another nice experience. Stay with the local people, they're very kind. And I feel like whenever I ask, Fiji people will always say, yes, you can set up tents.